Basic greetings and introductions. Hi. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Rhea. What's your name?
My name is Ryan. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Pune. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I speak English too. Can you help me?
Sure, I can help you.
Personal information. What is this?
This is a paper cutter.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
What's the time?
It's 7:45 p.m.
Where do you live?
I live in Chennai.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
Daily life. How do you travel to work?
I travel by bus.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim a little.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Interests and hobbies. What's your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading novels.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite season?
I like winter.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 9876543210.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Alchemist.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing a little.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love visiting Manali.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Diwali.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Food, drinks and fun. What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is Food Fiesta.
What's your favorite drink?
I like mango juice.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is banana.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots and peas.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Activities and free time. Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I go jogging every morning.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, camping is fun.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Yes, I go 3 times a week.
Do you like to go to the zoo?
Yes, I love watching animals.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, especially in the mountains.
Daily routines. What are you doing in the morning?
I'm brushing my teeth.
What are you cooking for dinner?
I'm cooking rice and curry.
What are they doing at the park?
They're playing football.
When are you studying English?
I study English in the evening.
When are you leaving for work?
I leave at 8:30 a.m.
What is he doing in the office?
He's typing a report.
When are they having lunch?
They're having lunch at 12:30 p.m.
What is she doing after school?
She's playing with her friends.
Work and occupations. What is your boss doing right now?
He's attending a meeting.
What is the chef cooking?
He's cooking a delicious meal.
When are you getting paid?
I get paid at the end of the month.
What is she designing on her computer?
She's designing a website.
What is the mechanic fixing?
He's fixing a car.
What are they doing in the factory?
They're assembling machines.
When is your manager giving a presentation?
He's giving it tomorrow morning.
What are they discussing in the meeting?
They're discussing the new project.
When is the nurse helping patients?
She's helping them all day.
Miscellaneous. What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is lily.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw well.
What's your favorite type of phone?
I like iPhones.
Can you ride a scooter?
No, I can't ride a scooter.
What's your favorite type of shoes?
I like sports shoes.
Personal skills and abilities. Can you bake a cake?
Yes, I can bake a chocolate cake.
Can you play soccer?
Yes, I can play soccer.
Can you knit or crochet?
No, I can't knit or crochet.
Can you ride a motorcycle?
No, I can't ride a motorcycle.
Can you ride a scooter?
Yes, I can ride a scooter.
Can you play the piano?
No, I can't play the piano.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I can play a little.
Can you ride a horse?
No, I can't ride a horse.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't juggle.
Can you do yoga?
Yes, I can do yoga every morning.
Can you swim in a lake?
Yes, I can swim in a lake.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I love baking cookies.
Can you do magic tricks?
No, I can't do magic tricks.
Can you do a cartwheel?
No, I can't do a cartwheel.
Can you do a handstand?
No, I can't do a handstand.
Can you do a backflip?
No, I can't do a backflip.
Can you do a somersault?
No, I can't do a somersault.
Can you ice skate?
No, I can't ice skate.
Hobbies and outdoor activities. Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I like hiking in the hills.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, it's very relaxing.
Do you like to go camping in the forest?
Yes, I love camping in nature.
Do you like to go to the zoo?
Yes, I enjoy seeing the animals.
Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I go for evening walks.
Do you like to go to the beach in the summer?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you like to go skiing in the winter?
Yes, I enjoy skiing during vacations.
Do you like to go to the library?
Yes, I like to read there quietly.
Do you like to go to the cinema to watch movies?
Yes, I go almost every weekend.
Do you like to go to the gym to exercise?
Yes, I work out 3 times a week.
Do you like to go to the park to relax?
Yes, I like to sit under the trees.
Do you like to go to the zoo to see animals?
Yes, especially to see lions and elephants.
Do you like to go to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy watching live plays.
Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I love live music.
Do you like to go to museums?
Yes, I find history fascinating.
Do you like to go to the beach to swim?
Yes, it's my favorite weekend activity.
Do you like to go hiking in the mountains?
Yes, it helps me feel refreshed.
Do you like to go to the gym to exercise?
Yes, it keeps me healthy.
Do you like to go to the library to read?
Yes, I often borrow novels from there.
Everyday routines and work life. What are they doing in the factory?
They're making furniture in the factory.
What is the gardener planting in the garden?
The gardener is planting roses.
What is the mechanic fixing in the garage?
The mechanic is fixing a truck.
What is your boss doing right now?
My boss is having a video call.
What is she designing on her computer?
She's designing a company logo.
When are they fixing the car?
They're fixing it this afternoon.
When is she cleaning the house?
She cleans the house every Saturday.
When are you working today?
I'm working from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
When is your manager giving a presentation?
She's giving it tomorrow morning.
What are they discussing in the meeting?
They're discussing new marketing ideas.
When are you opening your business?
I'm opening it next month.
What are they serving at the restaurant?
They're serving Indian food.
When are you getting paid?
I get paid at the end of every month.
When is your coworker arriving at the office?
He's arriving at 9 a.m. sharp.
When is your colleague leaving for a business trip?
She's leaving next week.
Transportation and things around. What is he driving for work?
He's driving a delivery van.
What is the construction worker building?
He's building a new apartment complex.
What is she fixing at the IT department?
She's fixing some computers.
When are they fixing the car?
They're fixing it in the garage now.
What is it doing in the water?
It's floating in the water.
Additional everyday sentences. What is he writing?
He's writing an email.
What is she wearing?
She's wearing a red sari.
What are they watching?
They're watching a movie.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking dinner for my family.
When is she feeding her pet?
She feeds her pet every morning.
When are you cleaning your room?
I clean my room every Saturday.
When are you going to the gym?
I go to the gym at 6:30 a.m.
When are they having lunch?
They're having lunch at 12:30 p.m.
Miscellaneous topics. What's your favorite weather?
I love rainy weather.
What's your favorite type of car?
My favorite car is a Hyundai Creta.
What's your favorite clothing color?
I like wearing black and white.
What's your favorite type of bag?
My favorite is a travel backpack.
What's your favorite type of watch?
I like smartwatches.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Perfect by Ed Sheeran.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite destination is Shimla.